Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation doing another unboxing video. And today we have the Gorsun GS778 headphones. Let's go ahead and give you a look at the box. This says they're deluxe headphones. Gives me high expectations. Alright, let's go ahead and get this open. Alright, here's the warranty card, and I assume, the user manual. Okay. These fold up pretty well. I guess that's for compact storage. They're a nice bright orange color. This is actually kind of nice. It actually does feel pretty nice for the price. There you have it. There's the Gorsun GS778 headphones. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you next time.